Happy Wednesday. Another day trading, another day living. So let's go to our first trade. Exxon. Oh, that still doesn't make sense. Okay. Oh, Exxon was. This is an interesting story. So I had Exxon. I had Amazon at the bottom, and I had Exxon on top. So I got Exxon, and looking at it, I knew elephant bar, resistance. I just had a feeling it was going to go higher today. So I bought it, but what I meant to buy was Amazon. Oh man. And look at how Amazon started. And I was buying right here. I meant to buy Amazon. So Exxon was my first trade, but it was interesting because let's say, since it's not really supposed to be a trade, um, let's see. Let's map it up. Last 30 minutes. So it was trap zone. It was above. Okay. It was above. So I bought, put my stop right here. And it had to break here. Could have added here. And it broke. And I got out about right here. I just got out positive. Because I just didn't want to have a negative trade, even though I didn't mean to make that trade. So keep going. Let's look. So here's another one we tried. Oh, we said position of power, and at the first this bar was fully green, so I was looking at elephant bar off a position of power or off the go spot, and I wanted to just go all in. I just wanted to go all in, and sadly, I did put a lot in here, and it went against me. And guess what? As soon as I went out, would have been a nice trade. Position of power. Who would have thought? But it got me right here. It hit my maximum loss per trade. So I got out with the rules. Proud of it. Proud of it. Being a professional about trading. But I really wish I would have got right back into it once I saw this, or I even saw this. I just moved on to the next stock, but that would have been 1, 2, 3, something like that. If we keep going, here's one we got out a little late. Well, I'm trying to look for a sale. I think you could do a sell here. That's 85% tail bar. Stop right here. 1, 2, 3. Get out. And then you have a elephant. Not an elephant, but I don't know. I guess you could play this takeout if you wanted to play it up, or you could play here's the takeout, and that's a kind of a significant, but that's a pretty big bar. You could at least play maybe that stop right here and play that to here. Leave a lot on, see if it gets to here, but that's not much more than that. This would have been a nice sell off the 20 with a color change into a flat 200. What I tried to do is I tried to buy off the flat 200. it went against me. It never went under, but after suffering this, I just got out. But as soon as I got out, what did it do? Ego kills me. I just need to. It must die for some reason. I just can't seem to kill it. I used to say there's something in me I need to. That would be my reason to drink. There's something in me I need to kill with poison, but nah, I don't drink like that. You could say color change to the 20. Keep going. Keep in mind what time it is. Oh, look at this. Elephant bar. I'd sell it. Wow. Okay. Wow. That's scary. Something like that didn't go down. Off the 20. It looks like I bought into it. What happened? Oh, man. I bought into it, got out again. I mean, it was a profitable day today. Like, I did good. I don't know. I had a lot of these, maybe. But this would have been the better play off the 200. 1, 2. Or you could do 1, 2, 3. 14. That's an elephant. Get out there. I'd play that back up, but that's the end of the day. So that was Exxon. Let's go to Intel. This is what I took at the beginning of the day. I wanted to get in here. I held off because, like I said, I was playing Exxon on the wrong one, so I didn't even get in Amazon. I got Intel. Funny. But we have an elephant bar. I put everything sell. Got out right here. Took a nice profit. Looks like we left some meat on the bone. Probably took profits a little too early, but it was a lot, so I didn't want to hold it too long. You could have played this up to here. Keep moving. It's an elephant bar, but it's an elephant bar into a flat 200. So what are we going to do with that? Maybe it's building for the break, stop. I'd play that. I played this one. I got out quick. I didn't trust it after the failure here, the failure here, and the failure here. I just didn't trust it. Got out. As soon as I got out, failure. But look, that's what we were expecting. It just didn't. I don't know how to explain it. It just didn't feel like it had enough energy. That's a nice one to play. I played the color change on there. And I got out around the top just because the previous close was there. So it looks like that was a smart move too. Now, what I did is I got. Okay, so I bought here. I got out here. I left a lot on. And then as soon as I got the cross out, I bought here. But then I sold. Man, we could have had all of that. We could have had all of that. That was nice. And that's why I like the strategy of leave a lot on. And unless that lot gets past 50, just let it ride. Because the truth is, you can always catch something like this. And it's more on your watch list if you have some money in the game. So that's something I'm going to start doing a lot more. That's pretty violent. I'd sell. There's a whale right there. Quick whale. Wow. And that bounced up pretty high. And it might keep going. That's a lot of strength. Nope. End of the day. No, it was Intel. Let's go to Google. Oh. I tried to hit a late go button on Google. Had I got in here, that probably would have been better. But I got in here and got out real quick. Google's a little too Gucci for me. A little high class. For me, I'm more of a Walmart kind of guy myself personally. As you can see, here's the Fab 4. It gets below here. That's a nice sell sign, but it's right into a flat 200. And it pops it right back into the trap zone. And you could play this one off of it, but same thing. It gets rejected off of that 200, that flat 200. So only thing you could really do is play off of the Fab 4 on this one, but you don't get any type of push through. So let's see what happens. No push through. Now this, I probably would play that. Tail bar off of a 200. If you can break through. Like elephant. Halfway point. Nope. Let's say you got in here, and let's do an example of what I was saying. So let's say I got in here, 4 lots, stops here, pushes up once, twice, 3 times. I get out 3 lots, leave 1 lot on, and I don't even care if it goes negative, as long as it doesn't go to 50. Pound right back up here because I've been watching it, and then just make up all the money you lost here with just way more lots. So get 3 more lots here. That's, now you got 4, so that makes up this times 3. So whatever you lost, you got times 3. I like it. I'm telling you, I like it. So I might start doing that more often. I tried to play this up for some reason, not too sure why. And then I got out. I should have sold. This is a stop and reverse. I don't know why I was playing up a 200 and a 20. That's just throwing. I might as well throw my money away, to be honest with you. That's stupid. That's a nice sell. I remember thinking, like, right here, I thought there was some support. But no, I still think that's stupid. That would have been a nice sell. 1, 2, 3, get out. Right here is a buy. 1, 2, position of power. Keep that in mind. So those play down. What's the chances? That play it down. Whew. Play that up. Big boy came in with the big guns. Color change. Nope. I did it on the color change right in the Egyptian cotton, right with the position of power. Oh, oh, and look at that. I got out quick, so I made money. But it's only because Google's so expensive. I just don't like staying in it too long. But it went out against me. I can only get like 3 lots, so it's like, eh. Broke out the top. That would have been nice. Elephant bar. Stop. That would have been a good one. Let's go to JPM. Tenth. Wide state. Fab 4. Waiting for it to play up above here. Elephant bar away 30 minutes from the opening. Elephant bar off of a 20 and a previous close. I got in and got out real quick. Chase is expensive. I hate when it goes against me, but look at this. This would have been a nice one. That would have been a nice one. And then you're getting wide state to narrow state. Position of power. Take out by. Didn't work. By. But I don't like how this is going down. That's not a flat. That's not a flat 200. So keep that in mind. I wouldn't be shocked if it went down to it. Right here off the 20. I'd take that. Wrong way. Elephant off of 20. I'd take that. Add more. Nope. Keep in mind leg 1, leg 2. So we can't expect too much in a move down or a move up. It's 14. You might as well avoid it unless you see something sharp. And this is lined up. This is lined up. You saw that sharp move, maybe. But still, it's towards the end of the day. I wouldn't have played it. Maybe it was supposed to be played. It was supposed to be played. I think this one was supposed to be played off the 20. Color, wipe out. Color, wipe out. Ride the 8. Let's go to Uber. Keep in mind you can take that as a flat 200. Get a drop. Color change. Add more lots. Or a color change here, add more lots. And then you got this color change 1, this color change 2, 3 color changes in a row. Power trend, ride the 8. Wow. I would say you're still riding it. Now you're getting out. Maybe the only way you can, this is a wide state. Only way you can do is play it up. Or you could look at it like leg 1, leg 2. So you only got so much space down. It's not really worth it to probably go after that one. So I played this, got out quick. I didn't feel too comfortable with it. I think that was the last trade I made in Uber, just because it's so wide. Unless it goes up, I'm not touching it. Maybe this would have been worth trying. Yep, that would have been worth trying. And you have this one too. If you missed it, combine them. Elephant. Wide state, narrow state, wide to narrow, narrow to wide. So tomorrow, expect a big move up or down. Last one for the day, Amazon. Flat state, up, color change, ride that out. Go home, go to the beach, go do something else. And that's the trade I was supposed to hit, but instead I hit Exxon. This. Instead of staying at Amazon, I then went to Intel. And I got go to the beach after this, which was a plenty enough to go to the beach for. But imagine had I got go to the beach on this one. And I would have been earlier. I was right here. So, boom. Imagine you get out here, leave one lot, make that up. So you got 1, 2. Oh. On that note, I don't even think we need to review it. That's just so beautiful. Let's end it on this. Hey, have a wonderful one. We're up. Hopefully you're getting better following this series. Have a wonderful one. See you tomorrow.